Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. So, you want to learn a classic rock guitar song? Then, yeah, this could be a great choice. Nickelback, Horizon, that's a new song from Nickelback, and I think you recognize that group, that band. Song like How You Remind Me was a huge hit back in the days, like 20 years ago. So yeah, let's take a look at this Horizon song, and we don't need any cable for this one. We have three chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. So yeah, let's learn the chords and how to handle them. So we're gonna start with the B chord, and we actually can use the sus version of it, a little bit easier. So you place your index finger here on the second fret, and you push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. So that's the B sus chord. Then we have the G sharp minor, another bar chord. We place now index finger on 4th fret and cover all strings there. And then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. All right, and then the final chord will be E. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so that will be the chord progression, and we're gonna use them in different ways, okay? So for the intro, the verses, and even the bridge part that starts about 2 minutes and 14 seconds in, we're gonna use this kind of chewing style. I showed you that in the introduction of the tutorial. So it's about 8 downs, okay? We can illustrate with the first chord, the B sus. So I'm gonna play like this. Okay, I go with a little bit muted style here. I use the back side of my hand here. I lean to the top of the strings like this, close to the bridge, and then I play on the bass strings, and I kind of chew like this. Not open like this. I try to mute it and stay on the bass strings. Okay. So I do that with a style where I try to highlight certain downs. So I try to highlight the first down, 4th, and 7th. Okay. So I do that in a way I play a little on the higher strings down here. And all the other downs, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, the 6th, and the last 8, I play on the bass. Okay, so I try to separate where I play on the strings. Okay, so I try to play higher on the 1st, 4th, and 7th. All right, and that gives us this style. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So with speed, it will give us this feeling. All right. If you cannot do that to begin with, then yeah, I don't care about it. Just play 8 downs, okay? It's perfectly fine as well. So what you're gonna do now is to play 2 times of it when it comes to the B chord. So then 1 time on the G sharp minor and 1 on E. All right, so that is how you handle the intro, the verses, and the bridge part at 2:14. So round goes like this. Actually 2 rounds. Yes, anyway, that is how you play that part of the song. And now into the chorus. Okay, you're gonna use, of course, the same chord progression, now a little bit more of an open strumming style. So go back to the B chord, and we're gonna play this. So that is one string around now. So you're gonna play down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Put that together, will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. And a couple rounds. All right, so you're gonna play now 2 rounds on the B sus, and again 1 on the G sharp and 1 on E. Okay, so like this. And that's how I handle the choruses, and that's all you need, guys, to handle Nickelback's Horizon. Hope you enjoyed it. A great rock group. So if you enjoy their music, this could be an easy song into learning how to play their songs. So give it a try, and if you enjoyed it, please feel free to subscribe to this channel and like this tutorial. Till next time, guys, play tuned.